NVAX stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at Novavax, and honestly, I'm not pleasantly surprised. To be very honest, like, it's down. Like, look at this chart. I've made well over 39,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Everything is documented. Like, I have more videos uploaded than anyone else in this space. So generally speaking, yes, it is going down, and there's really no doubt that it's obviously not forever. This bearishness that you're experiencing right now, it's not forever. You know, just the area is a little bit difficult, but it's gonna stabilize. For me to be bullish, if you ask me, it must break above $8, which is really not that far away, but at the same time kind of is. So it's just a bearish bias. Like, I'm right now even looking to touch this with the bullish lens. And it's just me. Obviously, if you want to stay tuned about NVAX and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. Goodbye.